So this is topic number 3 on the nationality of corporations. So determining a corporation's nationality is important for enforcing nationalization laws, limiting foreign ownership in certain industries. So we need to determine if a corporation is foreign or domestic because there are laws that does not allow foreign ownership in certain types of industries. The first test to determine the nationality of a corporation is the incorporation test. This is also called the entity test or the place of incorporation test. So it determines nationality by the nation where the corporation was incorporated or organized. Meaning, the nationality of a corporation is dependent on where it was organized. For example, a corporation was incorporated under the laws of Singapore, then it's a foreign corporation. If a corporation is organized, incorporated under the revised corporation code of the Philippines, then it's a domestic corporation. So the prevailing rule under the revised corporation code is that a foreign corporation is one form, organized, or existing under laws other than those of the Philippines. So if the corporation is not incorporated under the Philippine law, then it's a foreign corporation. The second test is the control test. The control test is also called the aggregate test. It stands in contrast to the incorporation test. Kabaliktaran naman ito. The control test looks into the nationality, domicile, or residence of the individuals who control the corporations. This test is employed in the Philippines for the purposes of applying investment and nationalization law. So under the control test, hindi natin tinitingnan kung saan na-incorporate, kung anong batas ang na-incorporate, saang batas na-incorporate ang corporation. Ang tinitingnan dito is ang mga may-ari, kung sino yung mga may-ari. Kung ang corporation is owned by Filipinos, then it's a domestic corporation, even if it was incorporated in other countries. In the same manner, even if the corporation is incorporated under the laws of the Philippines pero ang may-ari ay foreigners, then it's a foreign corporation. So for a corporation to be deemed a Philippine national under the control test, no conditions must be met. Number one is the corporation must be organized under Philippine laws and at least 60% of the capital outstanding stock entitled to vote is owned and held by Filipino citizens. The control test is considered the prevailing mode when determining whether a corporation is Filipino for nationalized activities. So, ito ang prevailing na test na ginagamit, yung control test. Kung sino talaga na magmamay-ari ng corporation. The control test is supplemented by the grandfather rule. So, dagdag sa control test ang grandfather rule. Ano ang grandfather rule? The grandfather rule is a corollary measure used when the 60-40 Filipino foreign equity ratio is apparently met by the investing corporation. But doubt exists as to the beneficial ownership control due to layering or multi-tiered corporate structures where a foreign corporation holds indirect ownership through a local entity. So, paano pina-apply ang grandfather rule? Kung yung corporation, ang may-ari, corporation din. So, para malaman natin ang nationality ng corporation, tingnan muna natin yung anong nationality ng corporation na nagmamay-ari sa corporation na yun. So, applicable ang grandfather rule kung ang corporation ay pag-ari ng another corporation. Kaya isa layering. So, ang purpose ng grandfather rule is it will ensure the legal and beneficial ownership of shares in corporations operating in national industries should ultimately rest in the hands of Filipino citizens in compliance with the constitutional mandate of 60-40 Filipino foreign equity ratio. So what's the mechanism of applying the grandfather rule? The rule tracks the ownership percentage held by the shareholders of the investing corporation or partnership din pwede to determine the nationality of the shares held by that investing corporation in the investing corporation. O yung tulad ng sabi ko kanina, titingnan muna natin yung nationality ng corporation na nagmamay-ari ng isang corporation para malaman natin kung ang investee corporation ba ay Pilipino o hindi. So in essence, the grandfather rule is designed to prevent foreign entities from gaining control over restricted sectors by hiding beneficial ownership through complex corporate nesting. So that's the end of the nationality of corporations.